Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix OneDrive login issues, account and sync fixes step by step clearly. First, confirm your internet is working by opening a few websites in your browser. Restart your PC to clear temporary sign-in and network glitches. Check the system date and time and enable set time automatically to avoid authentication errors. Disable any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can block Microsoft sign-in services. Open OneDrive from the system tray and click the gear icon to open settings. In the Account tab, click Unlink this PC to reset the local OneDrive connection. Close OneDrive completely by right-clicking the OneDrive cloud icon and selecting Quit OneDrive. Press Windows plus R. Type %localaptita %Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive exe/reset and press Enter. Wait 1 or 2 minutes and then start OneDrive again from the Start menu. When the sign-in window appears, enter the correct Microsoft account email and password carefully. If you use two-step verification, approve the sign-in request or enter the code from your authenticator. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and complete Microsoft's recovery steps. Open a browser and sign in at Office. To confirm your account works outside the app. If your account is locked or needs verification, follow the prompts in the browser to unlock it. Go back to OneDrive and sign in again after the account status is confirmed. In OneDrive settings, open the Account tab and choose Folders to verify what should sync. Make sure you have enough free disk space because low storage can stop syncing. Check OneDrive online storage at OneDrive. And delete or move large files if you are over quota. Pause and resume syncing from the OneDrive tray menu to refresh the sync engine. Look for red X or warning icons on files and rename files that have invalid characters like asterisk. Avoid very long folder paths by moving deeply nested folders closer to C:\users\yourname\OneDrive. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus, ransomware protection, features that may block OneDrive folders. Allow OneDrive through Windows Firewall by searching Firewall. Then allow an app through Firewall and enabling OneDrive. Install Windows updates because outdated components can break sign-in and sync. Update OneDrive by downloading the latest client from Microsoft and installing it over the current version. If you are on a work or school account, verify you are signed into the correct Windows profile and organization. For persistent issues, remove OneDrive from apps, restart, then reinstall and sign in again to rebuild everything. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.